Hello friends, welcome back to Android app development tutorials. So far in this tutorial series, we have covered different widgets and kept on learning new widgets every day. Now it's time to store them in a single application to build your own code store, where you can have access to all the created widgets at once. So let's create our first project now with a design like this to show all our widgets in a single list view. First, create a new project. Go to File, New, and in here New Project, and select an empty activity and name your project My Code Hub or anything you may wish to, and click Finish. Our project is ready. Now go to your activity main.xml file, go to the split view, and first, as usual, change the layout to relative layout. In here, create a text view to display your widgets list. Give its width and height as wrap content. Give it a layout margin, say 10 dp, and give it a text, say my widgets list. And give it a text size of 30 dp and text color, say color primary. And now give it an ID, say text1, and close the angle brackets. Now below it, create a list view to display our widgets. Wrap content, give it an ID, say list view, and put it below our text1. And close the angle brackets. Give it a layout margin also, say 20 dp, and it's ready. Now go to your main activity.java file and create our list view here also. Name it list view, introduce it, list view is equal to find view by id r.id.list view. And now we will create our string array here to name our items in the list view. So create a string array, name it items, equal to curly braces, put a semicolon at the end, and now add the items here. Add all the items that have been built up till now in this tutorial. So first is in inverted commas write text view. Next is edit text. Third is button and toast be combined. Next, image view. This list will contain the code of all the widgets you have created till now. Next is checkbox, and next radio button, and next intents, progress bar, spinner. List all the widgets that have been created till now. Fragments and view pager, web view, and lastly our options menu. And that's it. Now let's create an array adapter to show our list of type string. Name it array adapter equal to new array adapter and pass in the four parameters. Firstly string as its type and the four parameter. First is the context, that is this. Second is our layout that we want to display, android.r.layout dot simple list item 1. And next is our id in that layout where we want to display our items, android.r.id.text1. And last is the list of items that we want to display, and that is our items here. Pass in it and put a semicolon at the end. Now set our list view to this adapter, list view dot set adapter array adapter in here, and that's it. Now let's run our application. As you can see, our application is running perfectly well, but now on the onClick method of every item we need to open a new activity showing the layout of that widget. So let's now do that. Now in order to do that we need 13 different activities in our program so that we can pass intent on different item clicks. So I have created these 13 activities as per different items in my list view, so that on each item click I can direct the user to the required activity. So let's set a on click listener on our list view now. So go to your main activity.java file and add a click listener onto your list view dot set item click listener new on item click listener. And now we will switch this position argument so that we can know which item has been clicked by the user. So switch position in curly braces. For case 0 we have our text view, so we will direct the user to our text view activity. We will pass an intent is equal to new intent from our main activity dot this to our text view class dot, so text view dot class, and start activity intent and break this case. Similarly for all the other activities, copy this case and do it for all the other cases. Control C, Control V, again Control V for 13 times. Sorry, for 12 times. For 12 sequential items in our list view. Change all the cases to case 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. 1, 2, so change the intents to intent 1, intent 2, and here also similarly do it for all the cases. We will pass all the intents as per the required activities. We also need to change the intents of different cases as per our list view. So for intent 2 we have edit text, so we will pass an intent to our edit text class. For third we have button and toast class, and for fourth image view, and for fifth we have checkbox. For sixth radio button. For seventh intent itself, and for eighth progress bar. For ninth spinner. For 10th fragment and view pager. For 11 we have web view. And for last is options menu. For those who don't know how to create these activities, I have mentioned the link in the description box. And that's it. Now let's run our application. And now, as you can see, on different item clicks we are able to navigate to different activities as per the item clicked. Only this much about this application. See you in my next video. Till then, keep watching and keep learning. Subscribe for more such educational content.